don't care.
You want to see it? Okay.
Kitty!
You like this or what?
Yeah, I like them. That's what we always buy a lot of. Them big things, they're better than, I mean, you know, I buy some of the small for the youngins, but
Any comments, people?
Robbie, stop videotaping everything. You look stupid.
I better knock the little shit.
He knows I'm not playing with him. He knows I'm not. Right, you can get this thing. Come on.
All right. Wait, Brett. You ready, Brett?
Hey, you videotaping this?
I got the shit, man.
You ready?
What do you guys say to that, Brett?
I bought some.
Bam.
We went on down them next and somebody grabbed something about like that.
Put it on YouTube, too.
Just change up the audio or something.
Oh, yeah, I'll change it up everywhere. I'm going to put like some really good music on.
Edit it too.
How am I going to edit it? I can just switch the audio, buddy.
It's too long. That's all mine.
What is